How to solve for s in this equation? S plus y is equal to 5. Sy is equal to 25. Solution. S plus y is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 25. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 5. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 5 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, xy is equal to 25. Now let us substitute for y. We have x bracket 5 minus s bracket is equal to 25. Then s multiplied by 5, this is 5x minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 25. We have 5x minus s square minus 25 is equal to 0. Then this is minus s square plus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole equation by minus 1. Then if you divide the whole of this by minus 1, we have minus s square divided by minus 1. This is s square plus 5x divided by minus 1. This is minus 5x. Then minus 25 divided by minus 1. This is plus 25 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 25. S is equal to minus bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 25 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus times minus 5. This is 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square, that is 25, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 25, that is 100 over 2. And this is the same thing as 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 100, that is minus 75 over 2. S is equal to 5 plus or minus, the whole of this can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25, that is 5. Square root of minus 1 is I root 3 over 2. Therefore, x1 is equal to 5 is common. We have 5 over 2 bracket 1 plus I root 3. Then s2 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket 1 minus I square root of 3. These are the values of x. Then let us solve for y. From equation 3, y is equal to 5 minus x. Now, y1 is equal to 5 minus s1 is 5 plus 5I root 3 over 2. Then y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5I root 3 over 2. Y1 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket 1 minus I root 3. Also, y2 is equal to 5 minus s2. Then y2 is equal to 5 minus s2 is 5 minus 5I root 3 over 2. Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5I root 3 over 2. Y2 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket 1 plus I root 3. These are the values of y. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket 1 plus I root 3, comma 5 over 2 bracket 1 minus I root 3. Then s2, y2 is equal to 5 over 2 bracket 1 minus I root 3, comma 5 over 2 bracket 1 plus I root 3. These are the values of x and y. You can see that the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may also check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. If you use either s1 y1 or s2 y2, and you will see that you are going to get the same answer. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.